Hi everyone, Deb here with Dahlia Designs. Welcome to the Joy of Blue collaboration. This month, as you can see, I just have two little pair of earrings. These are, they're big, very easy earrings to do, but they're hollow, so they're very lightweight also. And they are just glass beads, 13 millimeter round, blue with black and white. And then I found in my stash, nope, that's not it. These were from a bargain bead box from I don't know when, like 2018 or earlier. And so were these little roundish black, I think these are gemstone beads, but I don't know what they are. I've had them for ages. And I found also these ball head pins, and they're sort of they're like a dome. They're from jewelrymaker.com from over in the UK from 2016. And these are from Fire Mountain. So I just stacked them up, did a wire wrap loop, and put them on these marquee style ear wires. I only have a couple left here. They're from Fire Mountain also, and those are silver plated brass. So that's the first pair. And then the second pair, I've had in my stash these are Swarovski Aquamarine Flowers 8 millimeter, pack of 12. Don't think I ever used them because I still have lots left. That's these down here. Now the thing about those is the slot for the head pin or whatever, or wire, or whatever you want to use, goes at an angle. It's kind of a weird angle. And it's a small hole, so I have these what's called featherweight head pins with little balls on them from also jewelrymaker.com. So I use those. I use tiny little 4 millimeter jump rings. I have a pack of I don't know, 1,000. It's like 10 packs of 100. And for here to connect it to these, which also were from a bargain bead box from I don't know when, many moons ago, before I started keeping them together and writing on them what they were. And then these are also Aquamarine Swarovski 5 millimeter rounds, which I got at Fusion Beads. They were discontinued when I got them. And Fusion Beads doesn't have their own website anymore. They're only on, I think they're still on Amazon. And they mostly do seed beads and stuff now. So I just wire wrap them on to the flower directly. Well, that's an eye pin. So the eye pin's on the flower. This little wire wrapped flower is put on with a jump ring. And then I just opened the marquee shaped ear wires to hook those on. So those are my projects for Joy of Blue. I also did some projects on my other channel, which will be linked down below and at the end, maybe not at the end screen, I'll probably link it down below. But use the hashtag and you'll find everyone that's participating. It's hashtag Joy of Blue MAR 2023 for March 2023. And you can see what everyone made, and it's not all jewelry. It's probably mostly not jewelry. My other channel, I did cards this month, but papercraft will be on that channel. And others might do mixed media or I don't know what. So be sure to, could even be like fiber crafts kind of stuff like yarn and sewing and whatnot. So I don't know. Use the hashtag. Go check everyone else out. We post on the 12th at noon each month. Take care, have a great day, and thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.